What's up, guys? We're here at Petrol Lounge for their toy drive car show thing. Brought the Stinger out. Yeah, not too big of a show yet, but hopefully a lot of people show up. There's already some cool stuff here. But yeah, we'll see what happens. This RX-7 is sick. Yeah, this RX-7 is so nice. Man.
Okay, yeah, that's cool. Hey, Helen. I thought you were out of town. Okay. I just got back to Puerto Rico. I flew back in like a 10:30.
Yes.
I haven't done anything to start crouching. I don't have no one. You got it. Straighten up a little bit.
Show's picking up. LFA showed up. He got a 720 over there. Yeah. This is enough for me. My night's made. Oh, it's just awesome. So nice. Corvette, SRT, Mustang. Come up here and see the 720. There's a King GT4. That's nice. GT3 Touring. Yeah, you don't see these every day. Madness. Let alone two of them. Damn. Huh. This thing is all stripped out. Cool. It's nice. C8 is really nice. I like that a lot. Yellow C7. Of course, there's a lot of stuff inside too, but I don't know if I'm gonna film inside. It's mostly stuff I've already shown before. Man, the C4 is sick. That is really nice. This stuff, there's nothing new, so we'll go to the other side now, because there's some more cars on the other side that came in. Those two are new. Jesus. Holy crap. Some nice Porsches. Got some Tesla Roadsters. This one's in a pretty crazy color. Ferrari and an Aston showed up. It's a V12 which it's pretty nice. Don't really see those anymore. Superleggera is so nice. So clean. Alright, LFA is gone, so it's time to head home. It's almost 8:30. But apparently this is going to be a monthly thing, so yeah, I'll be filming more of these in the future. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. See ya.